Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time, and then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload, and then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. But yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, we're gonna be hopping into the blood sugar palette because I want to do an eye look. It is Thanksgiving, so I want to do something Thanksgiving-y, You know what I'm saying? So let's just get into it. See his eyebrows? Killed it. Killed the game. So let's go in with our primer. I've been really loving this e.l.f. one. And then I'll pop that on the lid. And then kind of just blend it out. I want to do something kind of intense and red. It might come out looking Christmassy, but we'll see. Maybe I should do something like brown. No, I think I'm gonna do something brown. I could do red for Christmas. That's good though, because it lets me use one of my favorite shades in the palette. What is it? Intravenous. The shade is so soft. This shade is so hardcore. Look at this shade. Ooh, that shade freaking beautiful. Oh my god, I would literally just buy this palette for that shade. But the other shades are pretty good too. So I want to do something using that. I think I'm going to do like a grungy smoky eye with that. But first, I'm probably going to go in with this shade Ouch and kind of buff that into my crease though. Okay, I'm going to go in with this little Morphe 441 brush. It's like a giant fluffy crease brush. I just want to... I'm just going to clean off whatever I have because it looks kind of brown. But I just want to use this shade to allow the color to like blend. So I'm just going to roll my brush around in the palette and then tap off any excess. Haha. I have a mirror. I was over here struggling. I don't like using the palette. Like, it's kind of cool, but... Oh, this is actually ginormous. Maybe if I had it, like, laying on its side, like that. But... not right now. So I'm gonna go in like this. I think I'm just gonna pat it into my skin first. This is coming out a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be. Hold on. No, I guess it is kind of warm. I thought it was just going to come out more yellowy. So, tap it off. Instead of blending immediately, I'm just going to tap the product kind of just all over my lid. It's okay if this one goes closer to your eyebrow, just because this is going to be like the transition, so it's going to just be used to help the dark one look more seamless. And then I really want to just pull this out. I'll just blend the edges a little bit. Okay, just a little. And then, now I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with the intravenous. I want to take a fluffy brush, but not too fluffy. What is this? Like, I kind of want to pack it on the lid. Let's see. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this one. What is this? This is a Morphe E17. It's kind of like a little fluffy crease brush. It looks a little bit more dense, though. So I'm going to go in with the dark. This shade. Oh my god. This shade is so stunning. Such a beautiful red brown. Just tap it off. And then just start applying to the eyelid. You always want your dark shadow to be put on light, because then you can build it. So I'm just gonna stamp around the crease area. And then just like that, but I'm gonna deepen it even more. So you see it like kind of coming together. Look. And I'm just gonna deepen it and deepen it even more. So, go into the shade, tap it off. And then just gonna keep applying to the lid. Okay. Then I will go back with the ginormous crease brush that I used. I'm gonna go back with Ouch, which was the original crease transition color. And then I just wanna reblend and here. Cool. Let's go back. Okay, go back into the 441. I'm just gonna rub off any extra shadow that's on here just to help it blend easy. Oh, I really like that. Very Thanksgiving-y. With a gold in the inner corner. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line with Ouch. That's the transition color I've been using. And then kind of just put that on the bottom. Back and forth. Why is there like a weird shadow here? Is my nose like... What is that? Oh my god, I got freaking shadow on my nose. My nose? What the heck? Oh my god, is there a bump on my nose? Huh, how weird. I didn't know that. Okay, so that's basically it for... Oh no, I was gonna put that shimmer. Oh, I gotta show you guys this shade. What is this shade? This one? Donor? Oh my god, it's like a golden bronze. It swatches stunningly. Oof. I'm gonna go in with my pinky. And then I'm gonna throw this on the inner part of my eye, so like right here. Not right there. Well, there's a lot. And then I'll blend it down. And then I'll pull it up. And then kind of just blend it around. Do you see how it just like adds that perfect shimmer? With still being like grungy. Cause like the shimmer's only here, it doesn't go like anywhere. But there's that look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have an awesome Thanksgiving. Be sure to tell people that you're thankful. I told my boyfriend that I'm thankful, and I'm probably gonna tell someone else that I'm thankful. I mean, we should be thankful every day, but this day kind of just gives us a reminder to do it. So, in the comments, you should put something you're thankful for, because I want to know. I think it'd be cool to hear, because then I can talk to you guys, because no one ever talks to me on here, and yeah, that's it. See you later. Intro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all, like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8, and I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.